Hear me? It's a question. The Biafra origin and there's Biafra rebels. Origin of Biafra exists, then rebel exists. The rebel till now, since 1960. No country on earth that rebel for a nation like Biafra for long. Yeah, never exists. That they don't have independence. So you don't say every day you give a news. Now the guy will come out 26 of this, you know come out. Every day you give a news. This one 26 of this, now the guy will come out, you know come out. 26 of, oh guys, stop this thing. So bring joy to your people. Stop all this thing. You make Nigerians to take you, they look at you as a as you know, they don't connect you, you don't feel connect. They say Yoruba, Hausa and Igbo, this thing makes you not to come out. Now only Yoruba and Hausa. Now they don't carry Calabar now join. Nigeria now is Calabar, Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba. Don't come out you. Because of the rebel of Biafra. They call it Calabar man do what? Put for your place. It was Yoruba, Hausa and Igbo. Senate President, Vice Senate, Vice President and President. Now they don't commode you out. They now carry Calabar man put here because of too much of what? Shouting for Biafra you can never get. When you're hungry, you shout for Biafra. When you're hungry, you are killing your people. You are making your people to become well down in Nigeria. You cannot win Biafra. You see how many people run? Wasilika run, nnamdikanu run. Ojukwu run. 3 people. Who won? Somewhere Ekpa don't run. Ekpa don't run. Where him? Where did Finland? Now Nigeria be that. Now his country be that. Where they look for? He's running away. Now skill of running. Number for you. Ekpa don't run. That's number 4. I don't know what they talk like that. We don't understand the skill of government. This thing where they do. Ekpa don't run. If you don't run, come stay for your land. Say, keep me Biafra. May they anchor you. That's a man. That's a hero. He died for Finland. What happened to him in Finland? Finland and Biafra land? Ekpa don't run. That's number 4. You go run. Wasilika run. Nnamdikanu run. Ekpa don't join number 4. Running for Biafra. How long are you going to run for Biafra? How long? You don't fight Biafra anywhere. Or you go try it. You go to Africa, you come back. When you come back, Nigeria and bury him, green by green flag for his coffin. It was the worst mistake ever. You fight for Biafra, Nigeria come bury you. If not the guy who died, Nigeria go bury him. Nigeria begin to bury Biafra every day. What are you talking about? Who is the person that want to talk? Ekpa for that, Nigeria go bury him. No be Biafra, they bury them, Nigeria they bury them. Never for you, you don't understand what is going on. Ekpa is somewhere crying. You don't run.
But the people will talk, say, he's good as he fight for that side.
He's not good, listen to me. Okay. They say Queen go give them Biafra. Queen live old and die. That nnamdikanu is a sister of Queen. Queen Elizabeth old and do what? Die. Now Prince Charles now. You don't come on mad for that side. They see there for Finland. It's Biafra in Finland. I ask you a question. Biafra is in Finland. Biafra is a small group of 5 states here in Southeast. Why did the person that fight Biafra go there for Finland? Now so they send down the guy for Jerusalem. Why do you fight Biafra for what? For other nation? Fight your Biafra in your land.
Although I think he's a citizen of Finland.
You can't fight Biafra for in your land, you can't fight. Igbo, this one no day. If this one day, you know for be like this. Biafra don't become a laughing stock. Biafra don't become something of a laughing stock. Biafra. Because of what? No wisdom to operate the Biafra. Ojukwu come from 1966. You go carry Calabar man and make him a Biafra. You don't carry Igbo man. He carry Calabar man. He train and finish. He give him uniform. He give him what? He give him uniform. He give him army. The first corner of Biafra army. Now if you was Igbo man. Running away. He leave all the power to what? To Calabar man. Say, he leave it Igbo man. So you to run away. He leave power to Calabar man. Calabar man become general. He become general commander in chief of the armed forces of Biafra. June 1979. He fought the war from June 1979 to 1970, January 15, 1970. No be president be that. He became a commander-in-chief of the armed forces of the Republic of Biafra. Now, are you coming on to tell me that I'm a fool? I don't know what is going on. A man under power.
The second command to
He can't have power.
he handed power over
To him to become a general, to become a president of Biafra. And he fought the war from June 1960. That's 7 months fighting war to bring back life to Biafra. All Biafra run. Ojukwu run. Now they say where run. Misguided run. All igbo elders run away. Hausa could have turned their land now to Kajurans. Hausa could have turned Igbo land to Kajurans today. Karaba said no. This is our neighbor. And they fight. And they surrender the war. Igbo man now come begin to sell market here. Who give you life? Are you the one that give yourself life? When nnamdikanu come, he say go and beg Karaba. They play a cool rule for you. They help you. Go and beg them. You see, no, you beg them. Who are to beg? They ain't work for you. You run away. Your children, your ancestors, your mother, your father, your land. You don't even remember anything from you. You run away. And Hausa say, want to take your land to Kajurans to bring their car to come settle there. But they don't win you. Karabaman said, never. This is my in-law. This is my brother. They stand firm and they fought and surrender and give life back to Biafra. Biafra now they are selling market of the country.
Are you trying to say that they pursue them from their land, they ran away from their land?
How can they be in their land? They don't fight for their ancestors. Ojukwu come back 1982. He created a party. He forget Soku. He forget a Pakana. He forget all the people that live their life for Biafra. He go and contest election for Nigeria. He win number 3rd. Buhari win. Obasanjo win first. Buhari win second. Ojukwu win number 3rd. 1 million vote. Federal government pay allocation to Ekpa party. He forget people that die for Biafra war. No even pay allocation to those soldiers' sons and daughters. At the end, he die as a pig. Nigerian bury him with green by green flag. He said, "Become by no. How do you begin them? We can never pay even a small pay allocation to what? To the son of Pakana. All the children of Biafra that die, drop their life for your idea." Oh my God! Why am I wise lady? Why am I wise man? I'm supposed to be a Muslim. I'm not going to know all these things. People give your life, their life for your idea. We will go fight Nigeria and win. We go win them. People give your idea for you. They live their life for you. They follow you. At the end, you leave them and run away. Oh, Igbos are finished. If Igbos come to me, I love them. I can give you idea. You leave your people and run away after you give them idea to join you for war, and they leave everything. Boys, soldiers, girls, fresh water, boys, baggle themselves, follow you. We need this dream to achieve. At the end, you see them. Oh my God, you run away, leave them. They slaughter them like sand. If not for Effiong, Hausa could have turned Igbo land to Katuran. They leave everything for Effiong and run away. Effiong said, how can my people perish like this? Effiong said, how can my people perish like this? The rest of us, please, we surrender. We surrender, please. We surrender, please. Effiong go to court for less than 16 days to what? To succeed Kowan to bring life to Biafra. They could have what? Oh, these wicked people called Yoruba, they say that you kill them and take their property. £1 to keep them. Slaughter them, take their property. Effiong say, please. Now my brothers, they're my in-law, they're my this. It will Effiong something to sustain Biafra. To the Igbo man fully and sell market. They now call that people, we save them. And your money. Megita. Megita is the door. You call yourself your door. You call your hero a door. For the price that they pay for you to be alive. It is that this is ghosts are Bible says ghosts are wise.
How much Effiong has then?
You now carry, come in. After Effiong pay the price for Biafra to be alive, Ojukwu paid by Nigerian, we green by green. Biafra died by Nigerian hand and they bury him. They give Bianca, his wife, ambassador to Spain. Oh my God, they didn't give him Nsogu drop his. He said, I will die as I want to die as a Biafran army. Nobody killed Nsogu. He died as he want to die. With 150 battalion. He opened in Canada, he died too. That was Biafran soldiers who volunteered to give life to Biafra. Ojukwu run away. At the end, they come back and chop from Nigeria. How dare you talk? Who want to talk?
You are telling a lie. You are lying.
If I lie, let the ancestors slap me. If I'm lying, let the ancestors what? Slap me. We lost everything. We lost everything. Let the ancestors slap me if I lie for what I'm saying. How can we pay? How can we say this? We pay what? We know the foundation. Now Biafra do what? We build Biafra. Return back Biafra to life. Biafra today exists in the nation. Oh, who want to talk? I know the fact. I want to tell you. If we pay the price, I paid that price for you. I'm your king. Bow to me, refuse to bow to me. How can you be free? Bow to Calabar, let me be your king. They saved you for Biafra when you run away. Ekpa don't run. Nnamdikanu is in prison. Wasirika run. Ojukwu run. Ekpa don't run. Who goes stand? I am the king. You stand before me. If you don't need to be the king, I'll tell you. Can you tell me? I'll tell you. I save you. Give you life. I'm your king.
I am the freedom. I am the one that fighting for you. And which you don't know.
You can never exist
on your mouth.
Where we did.
Where's your children?
Bow to me.
Bow for you for what?
I'm your king. I give you life.
What? To give which
I end war for you. You run away.
You end war?
You run.
I am the one that fighting
you run.
Which you did not fight.
You run.
Huh?
You run.
Do you put your life?
You run away. Answer the question. Let the cause of the land listen to me. If you want to talk to me, if you want to, I'm coming. I'm coming. If you want to talk to me, I'm a god. Be a god too.
You are God.
Yes, be a god too.
The God of.
So that I can be able to stand defend because they go send blow.
They will send blow.
If he come, if you know if he stand, they go what? The way you are. So listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Don't knock Bele where there's nothing in that Bele.
Do you know what?
Don't knock
Bele
Bele.
is not afraid of same front.
See, listen to me.
So I'm not.
If I want to tell you the issue of Biafra, and you hear the issue, if it can be out of what I'm telling you, that it is wrong, let the ancestors what strike me. All what I know about Biafra is that you run away, we end the war for you. We end the war for you. You run. When you come back, you don't come back to have wisdom and stick to Biafra. You now rise up and run, join Nigeria again. Nigeria that you don't post speed. Nigeria that you don't throw away. Nigeria that you don't see no be Nigeria again. You don't come back and say want to become president of Biafra in Nigeria. Who can give that president? The gods of the land can never give you. I'm a god. Don't deceive yourself. I paid the last price for you. Either you bow to me as your king or you pay this forever. I am your king. You don't bow to me, there's nothing for you. I end war for you. You run away. I saved your ancestors. I saved your land. I helped you out. I made you become a living being today. They could have slaughtered you all. They could have slaughtered you all. I said, please, let them live. How dare you talk? How do you talk? They call Biafra, they call Biafra. I am original Biafra, I cannot give you freedom. Don't be deceiving yourself. I'm original Biafra, I cannot give you freedom. Without me giving you freedom, there's nothing. I pay the price for you. You are not the one that pay. I pay. Today, Igbo exists because of me. So what do you want to talk? So return back to life. So let what the foundation speak.